Okay, socialization. Yeah, last time also we discussed briefly about it. Is socialization. Let me share some pictures of socialization. Okay, socialization. Yes. Okay, socialization. It is the lifelong process of learning, understanding, and following the norms and values of the society. Yeah, we learn, we understand, and we follow the different norms and values of the society so that we can be a perfect member of it, so that we can accepted by all the members of the society. So it is the lifelong process of understanding or the following the norms and values of the society. And uh, respecting elders, speaking politely, loving juniors, helping friends, remaining helpful among the friends, respecting all the caste, religion, culture equally, etc. Are some examples of norms and values of the society. Okay, so learning these norms, values, or the customs of the society is known as socialization. Now let's have a discussion about the importance of socialization. Why is socialization is necessary? Why should we be socialized? Or what happens if we do not learn the norms and values of the society? So let's have a discussion about it. Okay. Okay, Muktaza. Hello, Mukta.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Mukta. Last time also we talked about the learning the different norms and values of the society. Yeah. What do you think? Why should we be socialized, or why is socialization is necessary? What happens if we do not follow the norms and values of the society? If we do not understand or learn the norms and values of the society?
Socialization is necessary because if we follow the rules and regulation of the society, then we are liked by other person, and it also helps to live safe life.
Socialization is very necessary because if we do not be socialized, we are not liked by the society, we are not respected by the society, and it would be very difficult to live in the society because we are the social being, and if we are not socialized, it would be very difficult to survive in the society. So socialization is very necessary. Okay, thank you so much, Mukta. Okay, Diksha Gimire.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Diksha, why is socialization is necessary? Why should we learn the norms and values of the society? Why is it necessary?
Yes, if we
Okay,
learn the norms and values of the society, then we will be accepted by all the society, and we will be respected at there, and we cannot, and we will also be secured.
okay. It means to be liked by the society, socialization is very necessary. Okay, thank you so much, Diksha. So, socialization is very necessary because we are social being, we are social animal. Yeah, we cannot live without society, so it's very necessary to learn the norms and values of the society. Yeah, if we are socialized, if we learn the socialization, if we understand and follow the norms and values of the society, then we can be a practical member of the society. Yeah, practical, practical member means we involve each and every activities of the society which are very necessary for the development of it. So to be a practical member of the society, to be a useful member of the society, we must be socialized. Similarly, socialization trains us to be a socially acceptable and adaptable person of the society. Yeah, because of socialization, we can be a socially acceptable and adaptable person. Okay, when we socialize, we follow the norms and values of the society, and when we follow the norms and values of the society, we we can be accepted by the society, we can be a useful member of the society. No one complains about our characters, and we can be a practical and useful member of the society. So to be a practical member of the society, to be a useful member of the society, to be accepted by the society, we must be socialized. Similarly, because of socialization, it helps to development of the society. Yeah, when all the people, all the members of the society follow the norms and values of the society, when they learn, understand, and follow the norms and values of the society, the customs of the society, it will be helpful for the development of the society. So to develop the society, we must be socialized. Okay, another point is there, to be a dutiful member of the society. When we are socialized, we can be a dutiful member of the society. Being a dutiful member or respecting the duties is also one of the norm or the value of the society. So because of socialization, we can be a dutiful member of the society. The people who are socialized, they respect their duty and they follow, and which helps to be a dutiful member of the society. Okay, similarly, if we learn norms and values of the society, then we can be identified. Socialization means understanding, learning, or the following the norms, values, culture, traditions of the society. And if we follow or if we understand the norms and values or the culture of the society, then we promote them. Because of that, we are identified, we are known as Nepalese because of our culture or the tradition. So socialization also helps to be identified ourselves. Okay, these all are about the importance of socialization. Okay, now let's move to the agents of socialization. Okay, let's move on the agents of socialization. Do you have any idea about the agents? What are what kind of what kind of things are known as the agents? Okay, let me tell you. The agents of socialization are those medium or the means which teach us about the socialization. Okay, the medium or the ways from which we learn socialization. We are socialized. Okay, so family is one of the example of agent. It is also one of the example of agent of socialization, because family teach us the basic norms and values of the society. Okay, similarly, another example of the agent of socialization is relatives. Yeah, relatives also helps us to be socialized. Okay, next example of agent of socialization is friends. Yeah, from friends also we learn many different norms and values, so that we can be a useful member of the society. So agent of socialization means the medium or the ways from which we learn socialization. Okay, medium or ways from which we learn socialization are known as agents of socialization. Okay, and mainly there are two types of agents. Do you know what are they? They are primary agent and secondary agent. Okay, there are mainly two types of agent. They are primary agent and secondary agent. Okay, in primary agent, there are family, friends, or relatives. They are the examples of primary agent. Yeah, and primary agent occurs among the children. Okay, and primary agent. Okay, let's take an example of family. Family teaches us. Family teaches us basic norms and values. Yeah, when we were small children or small child, we learn how to live in the society. Yeah, we learn how to speak politely, how to respect the seniors or love the juniors. Family teaches us by seeing the different activities of the family, by imitating the different activities of the family, we learn basic behavior. Okay, so one of the example of primary agent is family. Similarly, relatives also help society. Okay, I'm sharing some pictures of primary agent. Okay, family. Yeah, okay, because of family we learn the basic norms and values. Similarly, relatives also help us to learn the basic norms and values of the society. Okay, friends also teach us remaining friendly or helping each other. We learn this kind of norms and values from the friends. So family, relatives, and friends are the examples of primary agent. Okay, there are mainly two types of agents of socialization. One is primary agent, and primary agent occurs among the children. Yeah, in primary agent, the primary agent teaches the basic norms and values of the society. They teach us how to live in the society, how to show the perfect behavior among the friends, among the family members or the relatives. Okay, so family, relatives and friends are some examples of primary agent. Okay, let's move on the secondary agent. Secondary agent, okay, secondary agent occurs among the teenagers or the adult. Okay, after learning the basic behavior from families, from relatives and the friends, we learn the perfect behavior or uh, the perfect behavior or the norms and values of the society. Yeah, and we learn these norms and values to be a perfect member from school. There are different institutions which teach us the perfect behavior or the appropriate behavior to be a useful member of the society. And they are mass media. Okay, mass media, different institutions like school, college, banks. Okay, similarly, different uh, religious religions. Yeah, from religions also we learn. Okay, talk detailedly about the secondary agent. Okay, the agents which occurs among the teenage or the adults are known as the secondary agent. Okay, we learn perfect behavior or the appropriate behavior from the secondary agent. And some of the examples of secondary agent are different institutions like school, college, banks. Okay, different religions, practice, etc. are some of the examples of secondary agent. Okay, yeah, mass media. There are radio, television. You learn different norms, values, or the different customs by watching and by listening. So secondary agents are the agents of socialization which teach the perfect behavior or the appropriate behavior of the society, so that the members of the society can easily adjust. Yeah, so that they can easily adjust, or so that they can be a practical member of the society. Okay, and some of the examples of the secondary agent are, yeah, different institution like school. From school, yeah, school, after home, school is the second home of the children. Yeah, they learn different subjective knowledge and other norms and values of the society as well. And mass media, from mass media the children learn different norms and values of the society by listening, by watching, or by reading. Okay, similarly, other examples of the secondary agents are banks, college, and there are many more other secondary agents of socialization in the society. Okay, now I want to stop up to here today. Let's take a view from you. Okay, hello Abbas,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. And you?
Okay, me too, also fine. Abbas,
Yes, ma'am.
are you getting the ideas about socialization?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did you understand about socialization?
Ma'am, about socialization,
Okay, what is socialization?
uh, the general process of as acquiring culture known as socialization. It is the process through which younger generation learns.
Yeah.
Socialization
And
also
what?
means going out and meeting for people or hanging out with friends.
And why is socialization necessary? Abbas, have you got any idea?
It is necessary because it is necessary. It is necessary because it helps.
Okay. If you
It
are,
helps to change into the social
it
being.
helps.
Social being.
Yes, it helps
This was ma'am.
you or we to be a perfect member of the society, to adjust in the society, yeah, so that we can easily accepted by all the members of the society. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Prasumi. Hello, Prasumi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Me too, also fine. Okay, Prasumi, are you understanding about socialization?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is socialization, Prasumi?
The social process through which we develop our personalities and humanity's potential, and learn the norms of the society is called socialization.
Okay, and why is it? Why socialization is important, or why should we be socialized?
Socialization is very important because if we are respected by the society.
Okay, so that we can, yeah, we are accepted by the society. We can easily adjust in the society. Yeah, so it's very necessary to be socialized. And do you know about the agents of socialization, Prasumi?
The the agents of socialization means that we from which we learn about
Non
socialization.
socialization. Okay, and there are mainly how many types of agents of socialization?
There are two agents of socialization.
They are,
Two agents of socialization:
okay, what are they? Can you say?
primary agents and secondary agents.
Okay, thank you so much, Prasumi. It means you learned well. Okay. Okay, Suzin. Hello, Suzin. Suzin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Suzin.
Yes, ma'am.
There are two types of agents of socialization, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you know what are they?
They are primary agents and secondary agents.
Can you name some examples of primary agents?
Some examples of primary agents are friends, parents, friends, family, relatives.
Okay, thank you. Similarly, some examples of secondary agent.
Mass media, school, college.
School, college, banks, yeah. There are many other institutions from which we learn socialization. Okay, thank you so much, Sujit. Okay, Sulavi. Hello, Sulavi. Hello, Sulavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how are you?
I am fine, ma'am. And you?
Me too, also fine. Sulavi, are you understanding about socialization?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sulavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you find agents of socialization? What are the agents of socialization? Can you
What, ma'am?
what are known as the agents of socialization? Agents of socialization. What are called agents of socialization? Do you know?
Primary and secondary.
Yeah, okay, they are the types, yeah. The agents of socialization are the medium or the means or the ways from which we learn socialization, yeah. Yes, agents are the medium from which we learn socialization. Agents teach us how to be socialized, okay. And
Okay,
mainly
ma'am.
there are two types of, okay, there are two types of socialization, agents of socialization, just now you told, primary and secondary. Okay, thank you so much, Sulavi. So let's conclude about the today's topic. Okay, socialization is the lifelong process of learning, understanding, and following the norms and values of the society. Yeah, and we should be socialized. Socialization is very necessary because we are social animal. We are social being. If we do not follow the norms and values of the society, we cannot adjust. We can't be accepted by the society. So to live perfectly in the society, to be a practical and useful member of the society, we must be socialized. Okay, and we also talked about the agents of socialization. Okay, they are primary and secondary agents. Okay, we will talk many more things about socialization in the next class also. I have given you a question. It's a practical question. You have to make a video about what is socialization and how did you learn the basic norms and values of the socialization. You have to make a short video about it,